In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark, pin, or draw line on Google Maps. We'll start with a quick way to mark a spot and grab its exact coordinates using standard Google Maps. Then we'll switch to Google My Maps to place markers and draw lines or shapes on a custom map you can keep and edit later. First, open Google Maps on your computer. A large map area appears with a search bar at the top. When you've found the general area you want, right-click anywhere on the map. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding control while clicking does the same thing. A small menu will pop up right where you clicked. Choose what's here from that menu. Google Maps immediately drops a grey pin at that exact spot, and at the bottom of the screen shows a little card with the coordinates. This is helpful if you need a precise location for navigation, notes, or sharing later. You can zoom in or out first if you want to be more accurate before you right-click. Now, to draw lines or create shapes, you'll move over to Google My Maps. My Maps is a companion tool designed for building your own maps with layers, markers, and paths. Great for planning routes, outlining boundaries, or mapping points of interest. Open Google My Maps in your browser and you'll see a map with a toolbar under the search bar and a panel on the left for your layers. To place a point, click the Add Marker tool. It looks like a pin icon. Your cursor turns into a crosshair, indicating you're ready to drop a marker. Click once on the map exactly where you want that location. A dialog opens so you can give the marker a clear name and an optional description. The name makes it easy to identify later, and the description is perfect for notes like meeting details, reminders, or reference info. You can always edit this later. Next, click the Draw a Line tool on the toolbar and choose Add Line or Shape. With this active, each click you make on the map adds a point in your path. Continue clicking to trace the route you want to show, or outline an area if you're creating a shape. Take your time to place points cleanly. You can drag points if you need to adjust them. When you're done, double click to finish. My Maps will prompt you to name your line or shape so it's easy to recognize. You can refine it later, and if you like, adjust its color and width from the style options to make it stand out. That's it. You've learned how to drop a quick pin with coordinates in Google Maps and how to add markers and draw lines or shapes in Google My Maps.